Welcome back to another unboxing. This time we've got the Noctua NA-HC3 Chromax Black. These are going to be panels here that go on your heat sinks. For me, it's going to be on my CPU heatsink on my machine. But until then, I'm going to continue building out the black side of it. I do like having the non-painted version of it. I don't have any proof, but I just feel like it is going to be a better solution when we're talking about cooling instead of having something painted. Not sure, but that's my rationale for it. I've gone with the standard tan fans until they come out with the upgraded fans. All paper boxing packaging, once again, does have a glossy photograph on the top of it with a nice glossy geometric design to it. This should be the little colored inserts that go behind it if I had to guess. And there they are. Those are the colored inserts that we can utilize. Ooh, these are fancy clips here. They have the part number on there already for you. And as you can see, all black, but then you have the color insert that you can choose. My rig is all black and red. So I'm going to be swapping out these blue ones for the red. Those pieces back in there. We'll set this down. Double check there's nothing else in there. Nothing. And last thing we have in here is the user's guide, which is vertical panels that talk to you about how to install that. I would like to see what it looks like to replace these with the red. They're double-sided. So this one has green on one side, blue on the other side. I want red. Remove this before use. I feel like it was supposed to have me pull off some plastic here. Exactly what I thought that was. Yep, it wants me to remove that. And then when you put it in, you can just bend it, bow it, slide it in. And now we have red and black on that. Go really well. Do the same thing, bow it out. We'll find the other red. Here's my other red. I really think that those little says remove before, I would expect them to be a little bit more attached to this plastic. It's not, but it feels like it should be. Once again, I'm gonna stick it in one side, bow it, stick it in the other side, and away we go. Then we put these back on here. These seem to be just magnetic plastic pieces. Comes with a little loop there. I don't know that it's needed. Seem to be installed either way. Yeah, no direction there. Just snaps in, held with magnets. And that is going to be on the outside instead of the silver nubs that are on the back of my, not the back, but the top, really, of my CPU heatsink. We'll have these on it now, and will be more matching the aesthetic of the rest of the case, which is black and red.